Hi friends, it's Joanne. How are you? I'm coming to you today for Bramble Fox. I am going to use some new cat perspectives that are in the shop, and they are so beautiful, so much fun, and have so much color. I love them. So let me show you my photos first. I have them over here to the side and I can't pick them up for some reason. Okay, this is my Biddy. Isn't she pretty? She looks miserable in this photo, but she's really not. She was just blinking at me. She's so cute. This is her sitting next to me while I work from home. She's so funny. Can't be without me for 5 seconds. Oh my goodness. Okay, I want to use this super beautiful piece of paper as my background. It's already got some florals on it. So this is going to be kind of an easy layout because I'm going to let this background do a lot of the work for me, and I want to get the 2 photos on here. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to use this really cool stamp set from Bramble Fox. I'm going to link it below. It's just like a mixed media stamp set, and I believe that I would like my photos to be right about there. Let me just put a few things down to make sure. This new perspective that's out, it is so cute. I have 2 different sets I'm going to use today. So you get this Meow, but it comes with white in the middle that you can use and have it all white if you want to. Or you can use this Meow separately on a different layout. And then there's also a different package that I'll put pictures up on the screen, that you get kitties, 2 orange ones and 2 black ones. And I think I'm going to use one, if not both of these orange ones on this, because she's got a little bit of orange in her. And I'm going to save these black ones because I do have a black and white kitty too. But the really cool thing is you also get this in the package, so you can make it super colorful. Oh my goodness, right? Look at that. So I backed the photo with some paper that had some darker blue in it so it would match that. Isn't that so cute? I love it. But let me see. Yeah, like maybe here. And then, no, it was good where it was, because I want to put some florals around, because this kit came with the flowers that match so perfectly. Something like that, I think. I'm going to put my title here and then things all around. I'm going to use the awesome Bramble Fox stamp set, like I said. I'm going to use 2 colors in like a peach color and this really pretty pink. So let's do the big one first in peach, I think. No. Let's do that in pink, because my thinking is that I backed this with kind of a white background, so her orange fur would pop away from the pattern papers, then some of the blue to match the W, and then I backed it with solid, like this color peach cardstock, so I want to put pink behind this instead of peach. That's what I just was thinking in my head. I'm going to use some Shimmers paints, and this one is called The Brink of Pink. And I don't want it to be exactly the same color as the background, so we'll definitely have that pop a little bit. The mixed media done and the photos are adhered down. I'm going to tuck in some florals around in here, I think. Not sure exactly how. Some of these florals in this kit were rather large, and I love that because you could cut them in half and then get 2 pieces of ephemera out of it. So I only glued the photos down in the middle. I can put more glue down later. I'm just thinking about these florals. I don't know if I want that one there or this one up here. See which one looks better. That one might look better up here. And then let's see what this one looks like here. Kind of cute. All right, we'll see. I have this piece of ephemera. It says, I meow you. It's so cute. Thinking about putting it over here. Maybe like that. I don't want to cover up too much of her because I love her little white paws. They're so adorable. Okay, there's that. And then also in the shop now are these sentiment phrases. And I had the package. Here it is. You get 4 different, no, maybe 5 different ones. I'll put a picture up. It says, just one more nap, please. Cool cat. I woke up perfect, which I'm totally using. And it has this Snuggles and this call out box that says, what catitude? And I think that's adorable because she looks like she's got a total tude there. So I did back this photo with 1, 2, 3 pieces of pattern paper. And I want to put this coming off like she's saying it. So I put 3 pieces of scraps cardstock on the side of that perspective. So this would go across flat. Okay. And again, I did not glue that all the way down. I only put some stuff in the middle. I'm not convinced about this floral yet though. So maybe I'll switch them back to the way I had it the first time. I don't know. Decisions. Maybe I like that better. Let's see. I think either way would be totally fine. So I'll go with that. Now, I think I want to sneak in another flower under here, but again, why waste this if I can cut it in half and use it in 2 different spots, right? Why not? So that's a perfectly good floral that we can tuck in somewheres or simply use it on a different layout. That'd be fine too. So yeah, just sticking out like this, I think, or maybe more like that. Yeah, that's better. Put some glue there. And I can't get in there now. Okay. Hold it up with my finger. There we go. That's adorable. Sure is. All right, let's get the title down so I know that I have it in the right spot. I think right about there would be good. Or maybe we can move it over a little bit because then it would make it kind of look like all one little cluster a little bit more. I don't want things too close to each other either. So what I'll do here, I'll show you how to use this. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit of glue all around this, just little dots. You don't need to saturate these because it's just going to end up seeping out the side. So I just put little teeny dots in there. And I'm going to be really careful with this and pray that I don't drop it, because I want it to be straight. So I'll use the grid lines. Let me see here. I don't think that's 100% straight. Oh, I got it. Okay, I'm going to hold it for just a moment. And then the easiest thing to do, in my opinion, is to just go in and put a little bit of glue in the middle there. And then simply drop those right in there. There's no, I mean, you could put these in backwards, but there's no right or wrong way to put this in. It's not going to be crooked. It'll be straight because it's going to fall right in where it's supposed to. And the M and the E. And I can't even. It is so cute, you guys. All right, I'm going to put this word Snuggles right below it. And I think about right there will be good. I think that's crooked. Is that centered? Yeah. And see how these colors match really good with the flowers and stuff. So I'm liking that. And then I think we need a little something up here. So I want to use this orange cat because it's perfect. And I kind of thought if I put him down here, it would look like he was walking away from these flowers just a little bit. And then my other idea was maybe to put it on top of one of the photos like this, which would also be cute. I'm not sure which one I want. Maybe that one. Maybe a butterfly in here. And then I have another butterfly I was thinking about putting in this gap here. It's a little bit big for me, but I still think it's adorable. So we could use that. I have this heart, and oh, I forgot about this one. It came in the packages too. It's a heart with, it says fur baby, which is perfect. I wonder if I can get this scrapping anywheres, or if we just need to save it like maybe for a different layout. That looks fine. I also have Alpha's. I was thinking about spelling out her name, and this kit came with rub-ons. I might use some of those butterflies instead. I'm not really sure. Let me get everything out. I have a couple rub-ons right here that are left over from my recent layout. And I'm also going to use this Bramble Fox stencil that has the butterfly trails. If I use these big ones, we'll see. Okay, there are circles. I can maybe tuck one in right here. Let's see what we have. Oh, best friend, that's cute. I think either this one, because it's orange. Let me see. I'm not loving that. Tucked in right there like that. We could try to put one of these like maybe in the floral down here. That might be cute. Yeah, I think I like that one. Why don't we just go ahead and use that? Why not, right? Let's do it. Put some glue on there. Make it a little bit crooked. Okay guys, off camera I went ahead and put the butterfly rub-ons down, and that did take me a minute, so I did that off camera. And I put them everywhere because I couldn't stop myself, and I just love them. They're so cute. The rub-ons, it just makes it look like it's part of the background paper, doesn't it? We did put the fur baby one here, the kitty here. These two, this. Oh my goodness, I love it all. I decided to use some Nuvo vintage drops in this peachy color instead of enamel dots, and I think that came out okay. And I am all done. I will put close-ups at the end, and I will link all of these Bramble Fox products below for you, and you can go ahead and grab those if you like kitties. Pretty sure there's going to be dog ones too, so I'll link those as well if you have doggies. I thank you so much for stopping by to see me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and have a good day. Bye.